What's going on YouTube? I got a firework stash part 8. Picked up some heavy hitters. Start off with this. Got the Chronics 6-inch 24 piece. Got a case. Sheesh, if you know, you know. Fucking bangers. I'm excited for those. I got 138 shot. All in. Beautiful cake. Watched every single video. Love it. Fucking a beast, 138 shot. Plugged through this in. He said he's getting a case of these. Try it out. If I like it, he'll hook me up. It's called All Jacked Up. Supposed to be like the new crazy fruit, if I'm not mistaken. I got a case of these. Storm the Gates, 36 shots. It's a pretty heavy cake, not gonna lie. For the price, it's crazy what I picked these up for. Got a case of 6, 2, 4, 6. Storm the Gates. They have a nice color. Then it goes into color salute to color salute. Then ends with a fucking salute. So it's pretty badass cake. What I'm most excited for is this. If you know, you know. It's called Warzone. 177 shots. Beast cake. Watch the if you got time, go on YouTube, watch this video. This shit's a fucking banger. Warzone. So we got Chronics, All In, Jacked Up, Storm the Gates, Warzone. On top of that, I picked up 2 more Warzones. Boom, boom, boom. Nice little stash I got going on. This just gonna fill up my wall. Dark Knight, Beast, Endgame, 2 more Warzones. Godzilla, it's my son's toy. Godzilla, the game we play. Nuclear Man, a shit ton of skylighters. These, too much. Midnight Sky, Giant Porky. I got more stuff at the other house too, if you see my videos. 4 inchers. Stop playing with me. Like, comment, subscribe.